Hello, today we will talk about serum calcium. What is calcium? What is meant by serum calcium test? Why is this test done? How is it done? And in what conditions serum calcium level increases? About this, some basic information I shall give you. What is calcium? Calcium is a mineral which is found in a number of body tissues like bones and teeth. What is serum calcium? Some of the calcium is found in free and ionized form in the blood or the serum of the patient. By serum calcium test, we can see the values of this calcium in blood. We see the values of total calcium and free ionized calcium in blood. Why is serum calcium done? If the patient has symptoms like nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps, tingling sensation over body, then this test may be asked for. Apart from that, in kidney diseases, malabsorption also, this test can be asked for. How is this test done? This test requires a blood sample which is usually collected from the arm of the patient. Any special instruction before doing this test? Usually, morning samples are preferred for this test because meals and exercise can affect the levels of calcium. What are normal values of calcium? For total calcium, values between 8.5 to 10.2 milligrams per deciliter of blood are considered normal. For free ionized calcium, values between 4.8 to 5.7 milligrams per deciliter of blood are considered normal. But these values can vary according to different laboratories as well as the measuring units used for referring the values. If the values are in millimoles, then the reference range would be different. What conditions can cause increased serum calcium? If the patient has any bone disease like Paget's disease or bone cancer, etc., then serum calcium can increase. Apart from that, hormonal disturbances like hyperparathyroidism or hyperthyroidism can also increase serum calcium. If the patient has been immobilized for a long time, then also serum calcium can increase. What conditions can cause decreased serum calcium? Diseases like kidney failure, liver failure or malabsorption can decrease serum calcium. Apart from that, vitamin D deficiency can also lead to decreased serum calcium. Hypoparathyroidism also affects calcium metabolism, resulting in decreased serum calcium. Can drugs affect serum calcium levels? Yes, many drugs can affect serum calcium levels. Certain antacids can increase serum calcium. Apart from that, if the patient is taking vitamin D or thyroxine, then also serum calcium can increase.